Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to fill the cells on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to fill the cell in your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile, I just going to show. So first of all, I just want to fill here as a topic. For an example, topics 1. So I just want to fill the entire cell up to 10. So just drag it here and just click on this icon, menu icon. Now you just want to swipe to the bottom section and you will see an option called fill. Click this. So it shows fill down, up, left, drag, fill, like that. So I'm just going to choose down, so it will copy the entire thing to the away cell. So if I want to drag and fill, just select this and you can just drag it and you can see it changes to topic 2, 3, like that. So for an example, I just want to select this particular cell. Then I just going to click on this icon and just swipe down and click on the fill and drag fill. So now I just going to, you can see now it changes to number has been changing. So the first one is actually about the copying, like that. The second one is with the number has been changing, topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So this is the two type that how you just can fill the cell by this option, and you can use this option. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.